what you want to do is start with a circle. And then you're going to cross it over here on this left side, very close to where the nose is going to be. And then put a circle here. Another little circle inside, that's the catch light, and then fill the outer area of that. Next thing you're going to do is kind of come off of that, kind of come down, over and around, kind of like a little bean. Draw this little curve here inside of there, and then a line in the middle of that, kind of curving down into the left. Next, where the nose is, come up, kind of like a mountain or an M, come all the way over. Make sure that right side's a little bit bigger. Put a circle over here and a circle in the middle, and fill all that in. Another little catch light for his eye. And then over here on the right, draw another big oval. Another little circle in the middle of that. The catch light of his eye over there. His left eye, our right. And fill that in. Next thing you're going to do is go over to his right eye, put a curve over on top of that, and his left eye, and do the same sort of thing. Now go back over and draw this huge curved line coming off, then kind of come in 3 times. That's going to be his fur. You got 3 of them. And next thing you're going to do, above his left eye, you're going to draw this triangle inside. Triangle on top of that, leaving a little space, and then go over here on the left side and do the same thing. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Be sure to check out my website, jdrawsdisney.com, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.